Hi again, I'm James Foster from Panania Little Jobs and surrounding suburbs, and just recently I did a little video on how to clean a Dyson stick vacuum cleaner. It went down exceptionally well, and a few people have asked me to show them how to clean out their Dyson small ball. They know this because my wife has one and they've often talked about what they do at home. Anyway, I said certainly I'll make a little video of that, and this is how we'll go about it. As you can see, my wife's vacuum cleaner is quite full and quite dirty. And what we'll do to start with, like I did on the first one, I always start with the filters of anything to clean those filters out, whatever I'm working on first. So I'll do that, but on this I've noticed that you have to take off this part to get to the filter. It says on here where the filter is, okay, or this is the button which allows you to get to the filter, but you have to take off the whole lot to be able to do it. And the reason for that is, I'll just show you, when you lift that up like that, that needs to go all the way up to the top, and inside you will find a cone shaped little filter which isn't so bad, but it's dusty and dirty, so what you do is give it a wash if you want to. It's material, so it will wash, and of course this is plastic. There's nothing much in there at the moment, but dust, which is okay. That's fine. Everybody else's might be slightly different, but who knows. So just have a look at that and check inside that it's all clear, which it is. I don't know whether, I'm assuming that you can see that inside there, it's clear. So I'll put that back in and close down the filter cover until it clicks, and then that is secure again. Now, to empty the dirt out of the chamber, of course you have the button up here, which it hinges here and allows everything to fall out. I have a box here which I can use temporarily to store the dirt and the dust. I'll just show you that. There you go, the chamber is relatively clear now. There is some parts of it which you need to get out later, but at the moment that's not so bad. Okay, there you go. That's the chamber cleaned out. Alright, so that can actually go to there for a moment, and while you've got it off, just check in here, which is where the dirt and the dust and whatever comes up through this part here, up there, into this hole, and then it goes into the chamber. Okay, so that can go back on there temporarily if you like, and you'll hear it click to get it's back in position. There you go. Now the other part of this, of course, is the roller part, and if you look underneath there, you will find a button, a red button, and that allows you to disconnect the head. It does, I'm sure. Being awkward. Do I have to take this off first? There's two clips at the side there which allows that to be swung out like that, and I'm sure that that comes out. There you go, there you go. It just wasn't pulling it hard enough. Okay, so there we go, there's the roller. As you can see, it's relatively clean, but there is dirt and dust and fluff on it, which I can quickly clean off with a little brush. And the way to go. Isn't too bad. It wouldn't affect the performance of the vacuum cleaner too much, I don't think. Okay, so there we go. That's that bits and pieces cleaned off, and also around the outside of the roller. It just gets dust and dirt in the grooves here, which will eventually become a problem. So there you go, they're cleaned out. And when you've done that, if you have a look, just make sure that the hole is not blocked up, because that's of course where the vacuum is sucked, or the dust is sucked up through the vacuum into the top part of the machine. Alright, that appears to be pretty clean, or relatively clean. And to fix it back up, all you do is close that back up by closing those down like so, and of course the other one will clip back into the wall. If you give me a moment, I don't think it's too hard, it shows you where to go, that goes in there. And sitting down like this is not the best way to do it, excuse me. That's the way to do it. It comes in from underneath and clips in. There's two connections there that when you push it in, they connect back up. Now, as you can see, the chamber is now relatively clear. I know that the roller and the ball is pretty clear, and we can try it out and make sure it's okay.